In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions to your presentations in Google Slides. Adding transitions can give your slides a more dynamic feel, helping to enhance the flow and engagement with your audience. Whether you're working on a class project, a work presentation, or just exploring Google Slides, understanding how to use transitions can make a big difference in how your presentation is received. So, let's dive in. To get started, open up your presentation in Google Slides. Once you have your file open, take a look at the slide thumbnails on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll select the slide to which you'd like to apply a transition. Simply click on the slide thumbnail and you'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's selected. Now that you have your slide selected, let's move on to applying the transition. At the top of the interface, you'll see the menu options. Click on the Slide menu, and from the drop-down, choose Change Transition. Alternatively, you might notice a button labeled Transition in the toolbar. If it's visible, you can click that instead for a quick access. After clicking, you'll see a sidebar pop up on the right side of your screen. It's often labeled as Motion or Transition. This is your control center for all transition effects. In this sidebar, there's a drop-down menu under Slide Transition, and this is where the fun begins. Click on it to open a list of available transition effects like Fade, Slide from Right, or Cube. Take a moment to browse through and decide which transition will best suit the style of your presentation. Once you've selected your transition effect, you can further customize it by adjusting the duration or speed. There's a handy slider in the sidebar that lets you set this. Simply slide it to choose from options like fast, medium, or slow. It's a good idea to play around with this until you find the timing that feels just right for the pacing of your presentation. If you find a transition effect that you love and you want it to apply to every slide, there's a convenient option for that too. Just click Apply to All Slides at the bottom of the sidebar, and voila! Your selected transition will be applied across the board. To see your transition in action, click the Play or Preview button that's available in the sidebar. This gives you a quick view of how the transition will look during your presentation. Once satisfied, you can either click Close or simply click anywhere outside the sidebar to exit and go back to your slide view. And there you have it. You've successfully added transitions to your Google Slides presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a new flair to your future projects. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.